Glam family. I am back with you in full force. 3 videos in 1 week. Are you sick of me yet? Because I'm having so much fun catching up with you. And today we are going through the Glam Fall collection. So I have a serious pack of stickers to go through today, and I could not be more excited to plan for a very glam fall with you. So without further ado, let's jump right in and let me show you all of the amazing offerings we busted out for fall. First, we have our brand new fall dashboards. So every season we release a seasonal dashboard. This is our fall one, of course, and then it has a cute little note on the back that I'll let you read when you get it. We send out a dashboard with every order, so you get one on the house, and we usually pick one that you either don't have yet. Yes, we keep track of every dashboard we send out, hashtag type awesome, or we send you one that just matches whatever you selected. So of course we have our Hello September and our Hello October dashboards ready to go home too. And the cool thing about these dashboards is we also release them in digital versions. So I like to use them on my phone, and they're free to download, so you can glam up your phone. This is the August one, of course. And that is a fun little addition to your wallpaper. So let's go over stickers. So I know we looked at the fall countdown last time we looked at new releases, but I thought I'd be remiss if I did not include it in the Glam Fall collection video. So it starts 1 month out, and it is ready to go home to you. You know how fall has a tendency to sneak up? That's why we need countdowns. All right, here is the September kit. This is the mother of them all, so let's go through it. All right, let's unbox September. Drum roll. We worked so hard on this. I cannot wait to show you. So of course we have our seasonal living lists, and these are also free to download, so there's no excuses for not jumping into our seasonal lifestyle. We want to glam up all of the seasons right along with you. And then our first page is our fun little mini stickers. These are great on a monthly layout, of course, you know, on an hourly, really anywhere, but they're just nice functional sizing. And then some words that we all need, like September and gym and email and whatnot. Second page, we have some adorable weekend banners. We have 4 different weekend banners in all of our kits now, so we really went the extra mile to do some fun weekend banners. Like this Hello Fall banner is so cute, and I love this little muffin and coffee cup banner, but I'm partial. That one was mine. so fun. And then of course we have the OG falling leaves. And then just, of course, October releases are coming out September 1st. So we got a sticker there to mark that off, day off, some fall shopping, and some cute little day banners here for books and coffee, football, if you're a football fan, and TGIF, yay, tea time, all that good stuff. Next, we have our seasonal celebrations. So these correspond perfectly with the seasonal living list. These look great on a monthly, they look great really anywhere you want to use them. And then we have the checklist leaves that are designed to check off your seasonal living list, plus some scalloped leaf checklists here for your layouts, and then just a fun styled word. We have a different word for every month. So fall is off, autumn. Then the box stickers. These also fall right in line with our seasonal living list. The first one is always like Hello September, Hello October, and then they go right along the list. So we have, you know, Remember 9/11 Day, fall candles, fall home decor, September mani-pedi. Oh my gosh, how cute is this door and wreath? I can't wait to use this kit. And then we have our fall lipstick, guacamole day, pumpkin baking, you know, you want to make pumpkin bread, it's fall, coffee day, making apple pies, gratitude day, apple picking or apple day, and then mulled cider day. And here is Glam Fall. This is the favorite. This is like the annual fall favorite. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, look at that double box. So cute, right? And then we have some stay cozy sweaters and blankets, a cute little pattern here. Fall is crunchy sweater. Oh my gosh. Fall is sweater weather, crunchy leaves, and pumpkin spice everything. And so far, the fan favorite has been these sweaters that say cute little things on them. I'll zoom in and give you a closer look. So they say pumpkin everything, hello fall, and sweater weather. Cute, cute, right? So if you have our first tier Glam monthly subscription, this is what's coming home to you. And of course you can grab a kit if you do not want to subscribe and you just want to try it out, or grab a kit here and there whenever you'd like. You can do that too. Or you can do the hands-free approach where we just send that glam on the way home to you every month. Our next subscription tier is our All the Glam, which includes our headers and basics. So let's take a peek at the headers and basics. And of course, the monthly. All right, here's our September headers. It says, "Hello Autumn, let there be pumpkin spice." I thought that was so witty, you guys, when I came up with that. And then we have our date dots here. Lots of flexible headers, cute little scalloped headers and bracket headers. And then our OG pattern headers and some just solid colors which pair really nicely with our box stickers if sometimes a pattern or glitter might be a little bit overwhelming. And then our today, to do, tonight, this week headers. And then lastly, the monthly header for the Glam Planner. So if you're using a Glam Planner and an EC planner like I am, then you have both your headers ready to go, or you can just pick which one works for you. And this big one also works great on the Happy Planner, and I'm sure many other planners. Next we have our basics, and these pair so nicely with the September kit. So it comes with our September basics that coordinate in patterns with the September kit. And if you are just a half box fanatic, if you need extras, or if you find yourself only using half boxes, we also sell these as a 365. So you can pick whatever works best for your planning routine. And then same with our little quarter box event stickers. We also sell these in both a glitter version and a 365. So if you're like me and you go through these like water, then that's for you. And then these more simple half box stickers, I like to use these for like to-dos, and then I like to use my patterned boxes for more fun things, or like, you know, things I'm doing that I love to do, like reading. And this is for all the work things, which I also love to do. And then lastly, we have some more cute little page flags. These are great for marking out time, or of course making checklists, or just decorating. And then full box stickers, which are great for layering, and then our cute little write-on washi full box stickers. Next, we're gonna go through the Core Glam. These have been so hot. You guys have loved our brand new Core Glam, and I'm so excited because we literally spent 6 months updating all of these individual graphics to really give you guys an updated look. So I am over the moon that you are as excited as I am about the Core Glam. If you are an Ultimate Glam subscriber, or if you would like to get the Ultimate Glam bundle, this is what is included, plus of course our adorable September dashboard here. And a freebie. We always send out a full sheet freebie with every order, and again, we keep track of the freebies we send you, and we try to send you something you don't have or something that matches with your order, because I just like to surprise you guys, and a lot of times I leave a little note for you too. All right, let's look at the September Core Glam. First, we have our Glam About Town Core Glam, and these all follow the same format, so I won't spend too much time going through since we went through all the fun individual stickers in the Paper and Glam 101 video. But doesn't this make you so excited to like run your errands and pay your bills and get coffee first? Oh, it just makes me remember the magic, you know? Next, we have Everyday Glam. This is just kind of the stuff that you do for yourself every day, whether that's like coffee or tea or reading or watching your favorite show, getting a little extra shut-eye, little beauty rest, and then, you know, candles, like lighting your candle, your journal, your Glam mail, and your Glamazon boxes, all that good stuff. Next, we have Glam Office. I just love the work desks. Those are my favorite, but I also love the laptop and coffee for like doing email or maybe writing a blog post, or little calculators for paying bills or paydays, whatnot. Then we have Glam Home. This is for all your dream homekeeping, making your bed, or, you know, changing your sheets or your duvet, paying rent, laundry, all that good stuff. Gym Glam, you know, never miss a Monday. And then we have Glam Plans. A few of you had said you hadn't seen our brand new Glam Plans. This is an update on some original stickers that I released when I first launched the shop. So yes, the Glam Plans is back, and it's got a nice fresh face for you. Next, we have our Seasonal Glam Monthly, and this kit also follows the seasonal celebrations, and these are designed to fit perfectly on your monthly layout. Whether you're using an Erin Condren or a Glam Planner or a Happy Planner, it fits perfectly, and we sell these in seasonal bundles. So this is a fall and holiday bundle, so it has September, October, November, and December, and you'll see a lot of our seasonal bundles, like our Glam Reads, which we'll look at right now, also kind of follows that same format. So here's Glam Reads, and it also includes those same months. Here we go. For all of my readers and my book clubbers, these are for tracking your reading. You can track how many pages you read each month and then each month and then how many pages you read each week. I'm a giant reader, as you guys know, so I love to keep track of my reading and then post when I review a book and, you know, just marking off all the coffee I'm going to drink and all the books I'm going to read. And then we have October versions, so November and December. We also release these, of course, for January through April and then May through August. The winter one is on sale now if you would like the winter one, and same with the 365, which includes all 12. Every month we release a weekly kit. September we released the Pumpkin Patch Kit, and I released it early in August because I just had to. I had to show it to you. I was dying. So, but I do want to show it to you in the fall collection video because, you know, it's fabulous. So we'll go real quick since a lot of you probably already have these in your planners and I can't wait to see it. So we've got triple box stickers, and how I designed it was, you know, you're going to the pumpkin patch and then you're picking out your pumpkin and then you're bringing your pumpkin home and then you're decorating your house. So cute, so cute. And then all of kind of the accessories that go with it that kind of make up a week. Next we have God and Glam Fall. These are our Bible study stickers for church and of course Bible study, and some nice seasonal Bible verses. Our fall florals coordinate perfectly with the September and November collection and October too. And this is if you're like me and you just love florals and you run through your boxes like crazy. We also make these for every season too. So if you have a particular color scheme that's your favorite, like summer or Christmas or Glamoween or winter or signature colors, we make them for every season. Next we have our glitter line. We have, excuse me, glitter basics, flags, and glitter headers. I showed how I used all of these in the Inside My Planner video, so I won't go into too much detail so I can be respectful of your time. I know this is the longest, chattiest Meet the Glam Fall collection ever, but I want to get through everything and of course not forget anything. Next we have our fall and holiday habit trackers. These pair perfectly with some of our workout stickers or our planning stickers, any of the core stickers. You can label what habit you're tracking and then make sure you know, take your vitamins or get your workouts in or plan your day, whatever you're working on. We also make them for tracking your water intake, and these are both seasonal bundles. So they include September, October, November, and December, and then they also come in a 365, all 12. These are our meal planning stickers, and I don't know about you, but I always get the urge to cook in the fall. All of a sudden I want to bust out my crock pot. So here's the seasonal bundle of meal planning. I have been using this weekly tracker to track my workouts also gratitude. So I've been using like our gratitude header over meal plan or our workout headers over meal plan and using it that way too. So I love that these kind of have multiple purposes. Or you can just use them for planning your menu for the week, of course, too. Next we have some vintage glam that is currently 50% off in the outlet. So our Glam Fall stickers from 2017 are so cute, and I wanted to show you kind of how we update them, and also these, if you're glamming on a budget, which we all are, these are so fun at 50% off. So we use some of the same quotes, and it's just fun to kind of see where we've been. I know Cruz Falk, who is our digital team captain, always post our original September stickers every year, and it's just so cool to see the journey. Next we have our vintage core glam that is also in the outlet. This is September. It comes with all of the same stickers except for Glam Office. So we have our original Glam Plan stickers, Gym Glam, Glam Home, Everyday Glam, and Glam About Town. Next we have our mystery bundles. These are kind of the paper and glam version of $2 Tuesday. These come out to $2 a sheet, and you know, it's a random grab bag of stuff that we had extras of that we couldn't quite make full kits, but would just be such a great complement to the monthly. All right, this is a mystery what's in this one. They're all a little different. So it comes with our seasonal living list. And these we have our autumn stickers from last year. These are, you saw the updated version of this earlier in the video. And while I'm thinking of it too, I've gotten a few questions about whether there's duplicates from the monthly in these mystery bundles. And the answer is no, not the current monthly, but there will be some from the previous monthly, maybe. And then we have Glam Fall in here, some Glam Fall headers, some core glam, here's Glam Office, the OG Glam Office, and that is 10 sheets for $20. If you're like, what about Glamoween? I just wanted to show you this little teaser. We have our Hello October dashboards here in the house, and then our Halloween countdown. So Halloween is, oh my gosh, you guys are gonna die when you see it. It is so fabulous, and it is coming out on September 1st. Last but not least, I completely forgot to show you the signature releases we had for August. We didn't have any for this month, which is rare, but we had a couple for August. We had Glamflix got a little update, so you have little remotes if you want to track when your favorite shows are on or what you are watching, and then cute little family time day banners. I hope after seeing all of the fall glam, you are as excited as I am for the amazing fall season. I feel like we wait for it all year long, and it is finally upon us. We did an Inside My Planner video this week. We did it actually yesterday. If you want to see how this collection looks in person or live on video, it's not this exact collection, it's the August collection since it's Inside My Planner, but everything follows the same format, and I think it'll give you a lot of inspiration for how you can use the fall collection as well. I will be back with you on Wednesday for our Vlogs on Wednesday series. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe so I can spend more time with you glamming so hard. So until next time, sisters, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for all of your support of Paper and Glam. It's all for you. Wake up every day and glam so hard for all of you. So thank you so much for doing the same for me. Until next time.